Hello everyone! Today I am vlogging and I'm so excited because it feels like it's been so long since I've vlogged and just had like a chill video where I just chat with you guys and just share little things from my day. And today, it's Saturday. What's the date today? I need to check my phone. December 19th. You guys, just a few more days until Christmas. I just can't believe it. So just before noon and I got ready for the day. I'll do a little outfit of the day in a little bit. I'm just finishing up my makeup. I actually just have to apply my gloss. I'm gonna apply the Charlotte Tilbury one. Surprise, surprise. I'm just gonna put this on. It also adds a little bit of hydration, which is very necessary because you guys, I woke up to like, it was in the single digits today. So it was like, I think 5 or like 6 degrees or something this morning. Yeah, it was like freezing cold. So I have like this jacket on because I'm freezing. And yeah, it's been just like a morning. I'm just trying to get all the last minute things done and prep for Christmas, especially today on the agenda. Actually, I'm going to share with you guys what I got my family for Christmas is I actually need to wrap their gifts because some of them I need to actually like ship off to them because I'm not going to see them unfortunately this Christmas. So I'm going to be wrapping gifts. I actually have to prep some food items for myself because I actually started a brand new diet for my Crohn's disease. If you guys follow along on my Instagram stories, I've shared that I'm starting SCD, which is basically no gluten, no sugar, like no refined sugar. The only thing you could have is like raw honey. And then I say no gluten, no sugar, and no dairy, pretty much. So yeah, I've just been, this is almost tomorrow will be like week 3. So I'm pretty proud of myself for already 3 weeks, no sugar. I haven't like cheated at all on the diet because it's an all or nothing kind of thing. I'm gonna be making actually homemade almond milk. I've been obsessed with chai lattes lately too. And I'll show you guys like how I prep for that because I have to prep it. It has to like, you know, the tea bags have to steep for like 12 hours or something. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do for all that because I've been really enjoying cooking lately. Anyways, this intro is getting really long, but it's just been so long since I've chatted with you guys. I'm excited for you guys to follow along with me on my day. Like I said, I want to get moving along because I have quite a bit to do today. So I'll show you guys a little quick outfit of the day now. All right, here's today's little OOTD. As I said, I have this like shacket on. I really didn't care for like the whole shacket trend because I didn't really find any that were super like more of like feminine because they tend to be more like edgier. And I really love this one so much as it's kind of like a houndstooth. It kind of looks like from far away even like a gingham. But it's so pretty, and I will link up the whole outfit of course below for you guys. And I paired it with this cream sweater. I've already worn this like on repeat. This is from Walmart. It is a really just nice basic cream sweater. And then I have on this initial necklace, and it actually reminds me, if you guys watch Schitt's Creek, Alexis has an initial necklace on like this. It reminds me of the one she wears. So yeah, super cute. I love this initial. I like love it as an everyday staple. I have on my Walmart hoop earrings, and then these jeans, these are Nordstrom, and then my cream slippers, which I really love these. So before I wrap gifts, I do want to prep my chai latte items for when I want to make it tomorrow morning. Because the almonds have to soak for the milk, and then I have to steep the tea. It has to steep for like up to 12 hours. So I definitely want to get started on that so it could like sit and do its thing. So I'll show you guys how I make it. All right, so I am prepping for the almond milk. This is my almond milk like maker. Keep in mind you still need, if you're gonna like order this is like only $20 to $30 or something, and it is really convenient. While you do still need to have like either a hand blender to blend inside this container. I still use like my Vitamix blender, but just keep in mind all you need is a blender though, in addition to like these products. But this is super easy, you guys. Like at first I was super intimidated to do it. It felt time consuming, but it's really not. So all you need is literally almonds and water. So I order my almonds off of Thrive Market. I just find actually they're most cost effective. So I get organic raw almonds. And I'm just gonna open these up. And then what's great is literally, this is like the easiest thing ever because they tell you the exact line to fill the almonds with, and then you fill the rest with water, and these just soak for, I think it's like 12 hours. I have to reread the instructions because this is just my second time doing this. But it is like the easiest thing ever. If I could get this opened. The struggle is real. Okay. So yeah, I was saying I get these from Thrive because they're so much less expensive than like I shop usually at Wegmans. It's gonna fill to the line. And then this, and then I'm just gonna fill with water to the water line. So that's literally, you don't even have to bring out any measuring cups. This is the thing that it soaks in for the 12 hours. And then that's literally all you do. And then basically tomorrow morning, or maybe, I don't know, it'll probably be too late at night, and just get it right to the line. All you have to do is blend this. So you either have a hand blender that could go in here and blend the almonds the next morning after like you soak them for 12 hours. All you do then is blend them, and then this set comes, you get everything in this set. And it comes with this strainer, so you don't even, you could usually use like say a nut milk bag if you don't have this set. But you would just take this little lid off. This is like the strainer, and then the almond milk comes to the top after you blend it. And then when you're done, you pour it in this clear container, which is nice too, because then this is like a nice sealed container for your almond milk to store in the fridge. So you kind of like get everything. It just kind of makes life way easier. Obviously you don't need this to like make almond milk, but I just think it, if you're gonna make it quite often, because it's only good for like 3 days, you know, it's just easier to have these, so I don't have to like get measuring cups. And this is like really nice set. And then now the next thing I have to prep actually is for, let me just take these over here. I have to prep my chai. All right, so I literally only have this size bowl right now that's clean, because the other one that's like sealed that I usually use, it's dirty right now. All right, so yeah, as you guys can see, this is like what I'm talking about. It has like, it's called Lock and Lock from QVC. I'll link them because I actually just got a big set for my new place when I move. I wanted to get like all different new things. This is the chai that I picked up. It is by Tazo. It's organic chai, black tea, and it is so good. So basically, I'm gonna take 4 cups of water, and I'm just going to fill it. So in here, like I said, this is kind of big. So we're just gonna take 4 of these. And again, you literally just put the 4 tea bags in like this. And this just literally, you know, steeps, you know, for 12 hours, up to 12 hours. I think it says 4 to 12, but I think 12 hours is the best. This is just room temperature water. And like I said, these are all like super easy things to pre-make everything, because everything for the latte then in the morning will be already done. I also just have to make the honey syrup. I just want to make sure, obviously these don't go inside, it'll just be easier. So then all I literally do, make sure they're like submerged, and then just seal this lid, airtight container, and leave this at room temperature for 12 up to 12 hours. And then you remove the tea bags, and then I would chill it in the fridge overnight then. And then that's why I recommend starting this at like early in the morning, and that way later at night you could just take them out right before you go to bed or something. And then that way in the next morning this is chilled, so that way if you're gonna have it iced, it's ready to go. So that is my tea prep. And I'm really excited because I've been like obsessed with chai tea. What is like your favorite flavor tea? If you're a tea drinker, let me know below, because I've just been obsessed with tea, especially with my newer Crohn's diet. So let me know in the comment section. All right, setting up to wrap gifts. I thought it would be fun to wrap by the Christmas tree. I'm gonna light one of my favorite holiday candles, you guys. It's the holiday candle from Nest. It is so good. And it just literally smells like Christmas in a candle. So I'm gonna move this over here. Actually, I'm gonna listen to some Christmas music. I'll do a little overview. A lot of gifts. I did wrap a few already. I'm not gonna show all of them because some of my family members that I do know watch my videos for sure. I don't want to, you know, I don't want to spoil any surprises. So I'm gonna do a few on here. So these are for my brothers. So some of their gifts I did ship like directly from, I have something from Nordstrom that is like directly shipping to them because I don't have to pay for, you know, all that shipping because it's pretty big. So I did though get these, which I'm going to ship to them. This is for my one brother. It's a powder blue t-shirt. This is really, really nice quality actually. I really like this. So there's one of their gifts. I also got this for my other brother. There's that. I got these as part of a gift, and then this is also part of the gift. I love these sugar cubes, and then this is the other part of the gift. It's one of these coasters, and I love it. I actually just got another one for my mom as well as part of her gift too. But I'm not showing my mom's gift on here because I don't want to spoil her gifts. I got this really cute Starbucks tumbler. It's Disney themed, so if you have like a Disney lover, I think these are really super cute. And then I also picked up these straws. They're like glittery straws that go for like the Starbucks tumbler, so I got a clear one to like go with the whole theme. And then I also ordered, you guys, how cute is this straw topper? It's all like really sparkly crystals, and it's like a Disney topper for on top of this tumbler, so I'm gonna have it as like kind of like a themed gift. I thought it was super cute. I got these straws. I ordered this big pack off of Amazon. You can see a little peek of the straws right there. They have multicolors. They work with the Starbucks tumblers, which I thought were super cute. So these have also been like super popular. I love the straw toppers. I have a few myself. I thought this was like a fun and unique gift idea. There's my wrapping paper. This is also my dad's gift. I'm really excited to gift these to him. I'm not gonna say because I know he's in the other room, so I don't want to say it out loud. I've been wanting to gift these to him for so long, so I'm really excited. He's probably gonna be very surprised. But these are a few of the things I have to wrap, and like I said, I want to ship these out soon. So these are like the first priority that I need to wrap.
We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say.
You guys see like a wrapping theme though? I wish I did one this year. I totally should have. Like, I would love to just like a nutcracker theme. But do you guys do like a theme with all your wrapping paper, or do you like just keep it simple? But one of these years I definitely want to do a full-blown theme with like little gift toppers and tags and all the little details.
This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky.
Good morning. It's the next day. I made my almond milk. I'm gonna make my chai, my iced chai latte. I have my cup of crushed ice right here. That is my ice machine in the back, if you're wondering. And then this has been steeped and then I chilled it overnight. So the first thing I'm gonna add is I made a mixture of equal parts honey and water, and then you just like microwave a little bit so it turns into like so it's kind of like a honey syrup. I'll do like another like half of a half. Here's the homemade almond milk, and then you could just top it with however much milk you like. And then this is my iced chai. It looks so good. All right, I did my mom's hair with the Dyson. I'll show you guys like a little view of the back. How do you like how it turned out?
It came out really nice.
I really like it. I colored her hair last night actually because I've been coloring it during, you know, the last few months, and just so she doesn't have to go to the salon, she did like a little half up, half down. But I think the color turned out pretty good. And I just did the Dyson Airwrap, and then we touched it up with the T3. It looks really, really nice.
Yeah, it
I
came out really
like
good.
it. So we're gonna go for a walk, and then we're gonna wrap some presents. And actually, did you start your
I didn't start
wrapping?
wrapping yet at all, so I have a lot to wrap.
I have a few because I showed you guys a little bit yesterday, so we'll do a little behind the scenes.
But the ones
of
I'm going to send out, I have to get those done.
All right,
Yeah.
we're gonna go wrap some gifts and take a little walk.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year
All right, so my mom and I are wrapping gifts round 2. These are just some of them. These are for like my nephews, but she's giving them to her grandchildren. These, oh my god, look how cute these are. They're gonna have matching pajamas. That's like the cutest. And let's see. I remember this game when I was growing up. I would play this all the time. It's like so cute with the Minnie and Minnie Disney theme. Magnadoodle. Have I ever had one of these?
I'm not sure.
I don't know if I've ever had one of these, but this looks so cool. I feel like my nephew's gonna love that. All right, so my mom and I were gonna continue trying to get through all the gifts. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm gonna end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up so I know to do more vlogs like these. If you guys want to see more, I definitely will do more, so let me know in the comment section below. I hope all of you have a wonderful holiday season. If you celebrate Christmas, I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. I will possibly, if you guys want to see like me do like a what I got for Christmas, I could share that like on Christmas night or like the day after or something like that. So let me know what you guys want to see. Like I said, I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday season, and I will have everything that I mentioned in this vlog. I'll try to link it all below in case you guys want to check it out, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Love you guys. Bye.
A good time to dance, dance all night long. We're gonna dance, dance and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna